This is the story of how humanity traveled from Earth to a floating colony suspended above the deadly clouds of Venus. 87 passengers launched toward the inner solar system, leaving behind blue skies for a world of golden storms, blistering sunlight, and swirling atmospheric rivers. Their month-long voyage became a breathtaking test of technology, courage, and unity as they raced toward a colony drifting high above a planet no human can stand upon. Where are you watching from? Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible journeys.
Humanity rises from Earth once more, leaving familiar skies behind in pursuit of Venus's clouded promise. Orbit achieved, the fusion heart awakens, guiding humanity toward the brilliant, hostile skies of Venus. Life aboard stabilizes, each drifting object reminding travelers of the delicate balance between gravity and freedom.
Ahead, the sun swells brighter, welcoming the travelers into a realm ruled by heat and gravity.
Signals fade as solar winds roar, yet the ship presses onward, unwavering in its pursuit of Venus. In drifting sleep and scientific vigilance, the human body adapts to a journey far from its birthplace.
Within the ship's steel corridors, cultures blend and innovation thrives, shaping the future. The closer they drift toward the sun, the more celestial forces twist and sculpt their evolving trajectory.
It's Mimmelholm's rhythm, grounding travelers as the vast emptiness beyond beckons with silent cosmic beauty. The ship turns, weightless and serene, marking the moment when outbound travel becomes the long deceleration homeward.
With engines burning in reverse, the vessel slows, drifting ever closer to the shrouded world ahead.
Old myths and new knowledge intertwine, guiding first-timers toward a colony built on courage and imagination.
Stories from three worlds prepare new explorers, forging confidence for the challenges drifting ahead in Venus's skies.
Even humor has purpose here, softening fears as travelers approach one of humanity's most extreme new homes.
Scale of the floating city unfolds, revealing engineering achievements born from necessity and humanity's boldest dreams.
Every kilometer inward increases the heat, reminding all aboard of the fiery realm they approach.
Shields strengthen and wings deploy, transforming the starship into a vessel suited for Venus's volatile skies. The critical moment approaches as engines and atmosphere negotiate the delicate dance of orbital capture. A single-angled burn shifts destiny, reshaping a falling starship into a guided traveler through Venusian winds. Through sulfurous haze and fleeting rainbows, the vessel descends toward the floating sanctuary hidden in Venus's clouds.
Readaptation to 89% Earth gravity.
Bodies conditioned by drifting month.
Beneath these swirling clouds lies a realm too fierce for life, yet above it.
Slowly, the city in the clouds emerges, a fragile yet triumphant beacon above Venus's inferno.
Human ingenuity shines brightest here, where sun and storm become allies in sustaining life above a hostile world. Precision and patience govern this phase, as the ship threads through swirling winds toward its floating destination. The docking platform looms ahead, a technological harbor cradled in Venus's fierce, wind-carved skies. A hush falls over the ship as steel meets steel, marking the end of the long voyage.
The doors part, revealing a new world, bright, heavy, and waiting high above Venus's deadly surface. First footsteps echo through the atrium, each one forging a bond between traveler and floating home.
A final glance at the ship marks the end of one journey and the dawn of another. Bodies relearn Earth-like weight, rediscovering the forgotten pull that anchors life to familiar rhythms. Suspended between sunlight and storm, the new residents step into a world unlike any before. In quiet rooms above a hostile world, awe takes root, mixed with wonder and uncertainty.
Here, movement never ceases, an airborne civilization thriving between relentless winds and boundless sky.
Life grows here in defiance, nurtured by science and shielded from the inferno below.
Knowledge is survival here. Every discovery another step toward mastering this fierce, cloud-bound world. Light bends in strange ways here, weaving myths from physics within the golden shroud.
Human culture adapts, reshaped by new skies, yet grounded in old traditions carried across space.
Darkness arrives gently here, painting the floating city in hues of amber and quiet wonder.
Far from Earth's blue comfort, they gaze outward, humbled by the vastness cradling their new home.
A manufactured dawn awakens the colony, blending human engineering with the timeless rhythms of an alien sky.
Within this heart of machinery, the colony breathes, maintained by vigilance against the world's corrosive fury. Here, buoyancy becomes architecture, lifting humanity safely above a landscape no human could ever touch. Traditions thrive in the clouds, weaving science, memory, and myth into a culture uniquely Venusian.
Past struggles echo through preserved relics, reminders that every milestone was earned against overwhelming odds. From this lofty perch, the atmosphere reveals its secrets, swirling in endless, breathtaking streams of motion. With patience and practice, weakened bodies remember strength, adapting to the gentle pull of their new world. Nature paints its masterpiece across the sky, a reminder of Venus's beauty wrapped within its danger. Electric storms rumble far below, unseen but felt, powerful reminders of the world they now inhabit.
Among drifting gardens and soft gold light, they embrace the emotional weight of their extraordinary journey.
Sun and storm become allies here, powering a civilization suspended within Venus's ever-moving sky.
In this hidden underworld, life sustains life, ensuring survival where nature offers no second chances. Industry reshapes raw materials into survival tools, forging the future of humanity's cloud-born frontier.
Every newcomer becomes part of the tapestry, adding their voice to the evolving story of the clouds.
In a world ruled by winds, control becomes an art form, practiced with precision and courage.
Through storms and silence, communication persists, thin threads binding distant worlds across immense cosmic distances.
Each probe becomes an explorer, venturing where humans cannot, revealing the secrets of Venus's restless skies. Above the storms, tranquility reigns. Brief, precious moments of stillness etched into the memory of every traveler. Unseen by most, tireless guardians labor below, safeguarding the fragile city from the planet's corrosive wrath. In the glowing twilight, the community unites, bound by shared wonder above the world no one can touch.
Here, heat is both enemy and resource, tamed through relentless engineering above a furnace world.
Machines dance with the winds here, guiding the colony's drift through Venus's fast-moving atmospheric rivers.
Preparedness is survival here, where every contingency is crafted to counter a world of extremes.
Born above the storms, these children embody the future, fearless heirs of the floating world.
Commerce adapts effortlessly, flourishing atop drifting decks, where creativity meets the necessities of survival.
Twin rings of color shimmer in the clouds, a celestial gift from Venus's luminous skies.
The weather is not merely predicted, it is studied with the precision of life and death.
Lanterns rise like tiny stars, carrying the hopes of a community suspended between light and darkness.
Every repair is a battle against the elements, fought with precision in a realm shaped by storms.
was the realization that we made it.
In shared silence, travelers and settlers alike embrace the meaning of life above Venus's clouds.
The floating city glides with the winds, adapting to the planet's powerful and ever-changing breath.
Craftsmanship endures, merging art and survival in forms shaped by the clouds that cradle this world.
Nature flexes its immense power, reminding all who watch that Venus's skies demand humility and respect.
The starship bears its scars proudly, silent proof of humanity's daring voyage toward the sun's burning frontier. A new chapter begins as travelers transform into citizens of the world, suspended above an inferno.
On Venus, every task carries weight, each resident a crucial thread in the colony's delicate tapestry.
Standing above the endless clouds, they grasp the magnitude.
Every frame reveals the courage it took to carve a future from Venus's unforgiving skies.
As sunlight returns, they embrace their future, pioneers living on a floating frontier above a fiery world. In this quiet darkness, they remember their voyage, honoring the path that carried them across the void.